Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So the first week of Play to Earn on Townstar Gala games has just finished. We're going to be checking out how we got on and how much we earned, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in my Gala Games account, and week one of the Play to Earn platform is now done on Townstar. It is finished, kaput. The new weekly competition will start tomorrow at about 5 o'clock UK time. That will be the 12th of October, 5 o'clock UK time, and that will be the new competition started. But how did we get on in the first week? I know you are all dying to know where we placed, what we earned, all that kind of stuff. So first, let me set the scene. We didn't do as well as we wanted, basically because if we look, this is the build I was using. So this is a build that the Lycan Warlord has designed for the uniforms. I made a few tweaks here and there, but the real problem was, unlike in this picture where it shows two sides or water on two sides of my square, this week I was unable to get a spot that good, and I only had water at the bottom of my build. So that meant that basically I had to then add ponds for my crops to grow, and obviously if you're adding ponds, that means that that's one less square you can put crops on or trees on or something. So basically that limited the amount of trees I could have, which then limited amount of the cotton I could build for my uniforms. The best I could do was, I think I got my build, after a lot of tweaking, up to making about 79 uniforms per hour. Now in the previous competition I had two sides of water, like it's shown here in this picture, and with that I actually could get my build up to over 90 uniforms per hour, and because of that, obviously the build works a lot better. You're moving up the rankings a lot faster, things like that. So obviously I really hoped, and I did say in the last video, that we would definitely get into the top 200 this week. Unfortunately we didn't, because of the reasons I've just stated. We ended up in 264th place, so that still means that we were in the top 400. So that means that we get another 200 Gala for placing at 264th position in the competition. But also remember, this was the first week of Play to Earn, so every 24 hours they would set a challenge. The challenge this week was actually really easy. All you had to do was earn 1,000 star points within that 24-hour period. Making uniforms earned you over 5,000 every time you sell a batch of 10. So reaching that point of 1,000 city points in 24 hours was very, very easy. But they have stated these daily quests will change. They will get harder. They've even said that some of the quests you might not actually be able to complete, but I'm guessing that's probably because it's going to depend on what build you're doing. If they've set a daily challenge, say, of how much sugarcane that you need to farm X amount of sugarcane, for example, I don't think they will do that, but say that was an example, and you had a build like uniforms that does not use sugarcane, then unless you go out of your way to change everything around just to get that extra bit of town coin, it's, you know, that is in a sense a way you might not be able to complete those daily tasks. Anyway, like I say, our daily challenge was to earn 1,000 city points in 24-hour period. This is basically what we saw when we completed that. The great thing, obviously, as you guys know, we do use an auto sell script. These challenges were basically being implemented every 24 hours, which meant they were sort of being renewed at 5 o'clock in the morning UK time every day through the competition. I'm not awake at that time in the morning, so I basically, because of the auto sell script, was able to wake up in the morning, the challenge had been completed, and I could just click on the collect rewards. That 9 town coin would then be deposited into my account, and everything's great. And obviously, if Townstar looks like something you might be interested in, it's a game very similar to the mobile app Farmville. It's actually created by the same people. If this looks like a bit of fun for you guys, you're interested in a strategy game where not only can you earn if you place high enough in the weekly competitions, but you can now also earn daily in the weekly competitions, but you can also earn daily now on the free server. So what I'm going to do is I'll put a link in the description to a playlist. Go and check that out. If you don't really know a lot about Townstar, it's going to give you a lot of information, a lot of hints and tips, and give you a better idea of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your account up and running so you can start earning some of this free crypto. And yes, like I just said, you can now earn Town Coin in the play, as it is now play to earn, as long as you own a little bit of Gala. So you've got to have at least 1 Gala in your account and at least 1 NFT in your account. You can now go on to the free server. So even when you're practicing how to play the game, you're trying to sort out different strategies, all this kind of stuff, you can still be earning every single day. So obviously that is a massive change, and it's really gonna help pump up those earnings. And obviously, if you want to, with those earnings, you can then start going into the Gala Games or Townstar in-game store, purchasing yourself some better NFTs, some and therefore that will start earning you more. And if you want the full details of how the P2E or play to earn platform works, what you require to start earning Town Coin for yourself, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another link in the description to a specific video that is going to give you all those details. And just like the earlier video I was just talking about, if you go right the way through to the end of this video, both of those links will be there and you can just click straight on them and get watching. Okay, so let's just drop in to our account and check out how much Town Coin we earned. So if we go into the inventory, you can see that there is various amounts of things in here. So the 200 Gala on the Ethereum network or the Ethereum chain, that is from quite a long time ago. Then the 400 that we've got here, that is from the competition where we placed in the top 200, which is now about 4 weeks ago we got that. We're still waiting for 200 Gala from the last from 2 weeks ago actually, and then we're still waiting for the 200 Gala from this competition. So we've got another 400 Gala that will end up getting dropped onto the GC. Now the GC is the Gala chain, so that is Gala Games' own internal blockchain, And you can see that just from this week, we actually earned 55 Town Coin, which is also on the Gala chain. Now, what I'm hoping is if we decide to sort of build up our Town Coin, then we want to go and purchase some more NFTs or whatever from the in-game store. Because it's on the Gala chain, I'm hoping that it will just be a direct transfer and that you won't be messing around with any sort of gas fees. I'm not 100% sure if that is the case, but that is what I'm hoping for, because it's just going to save you a fair amount of coins, actually, currently with what the gas fees are on the Ethereum network. So, I mean, Gala have said that the GC is basically, or should essentially be, almost fee-free. So that is sort of what Gala have actually said themselves. So like I say, if you purchase something from the store, I'm hoping that basically you will not get charged anything. You will just be able to get your NFT into your account and then start using it in the game. Okay, so that's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot else to say. That is how we did. Like I say, tomorrow, Tuesday, the 11th of October, is the start of the new weekly competition. That happens around 5 o'clock UK time. Get yourself there. If you've got yourself up and running, you know what you're doing, you feel like you've got a good strategy, a couple of good builds under your belt, all you got to do is get in there quick, find yourself a good spot, and off you go. So I'm going to leave that there. If you are interested in those earlier videos I talked about, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.